Hi, I'm Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to make a wreath for that favorite little ballerina in your family. When you make a wreath, for any reason, you're going to the ribbon will wiggle and squirm and squiggle, but you can easily turn it over to the side that you choose. You want to make sure as you go that your ribbon is staying consistent, that the same side is always up. For some ribbons it doesn't matter, but if it's shiny on one side and dull on the other, that would make a difference. And this ribbon does have a shiny and a dull side. So I do want to make sure that my ribbon is not twisting as I do it. Remember, you're bigger and stronger than the ribbon or the bow that you're trying to make, so never be afraid to stop and do something over again. Once you've put your ribbon all the way through and you've come back to your starting point, see, this one's giving me trouble, so I'm just going to pull it out, straighten it out, and put it back through again. Oh, it didn't straighten out. Okay, once your ribbon is through, you're going to want to glue it to secure it, and now you can use your hot glue gun, because your hot glue gun will keep things secure once your wreath has been shellacked. Lay a bead of hot glue in your crease, put your ribbon down, hold it for a few seconds, and clip off your extras. Now you're ready to embellish your wreath. What I like to do before I embellish my wreath is look at the things that I have and place them on my wreath before I glue them on. I found these wonderful buttons at the local craft store. You can also find great things at your secondhand store and your discount stores too. Put your embellishments around, decide where you want them, and once you're satisfied with what you have, go ahead and take your hot glue gun, and you can either glue your piece or you can glue it right onto the wreath itself. Then the last thing you want to do is secure your ribbon and put a hanger on the back so that it can hang on the wall or on a tree. And there you have it, a beautiful wreath for the favorite little ballerina in your life. Simply Beautiful Crafts.